Previously on All In. So, I quit my job. And who knows, it might just work. NB Films is officially open for business.
The bustling world of American industry. From the towering giants to the humble one-man shops tucked away in the corners of our great nation. And here we find ourselves in one such establishment, where one man dares to dream big amidst the cacophony of industry. Behold, our protagonist, Nate Bustamante, leader of this S Corporation. Nate leads the charge in harnessing the power of video for the greater good. And who might this be? Why, none other than our Chief Financial Officer, Nate Bustamante. Nate steers the ship of fiscal responsibility with a $12 template. Nate Bustamante rests at the helm of our esteemed video team, and to his right stands our chief editor, none other than Nate Bustamante himself. With nimble fingers and a keen eye for detail, he blends...
Wait, so it's all up to me?
Nate, my boy. Only you can know the path forward, and it's a good thing you have a plan.
Knew that it was possible, I'm teaming up with Kill. You see the focus? Wanna know how we did it, hope we dropping all the chills. What's your motive? Back then, they want me now, how's the way you been?
So a lot of people have been asking me, hey Nate, you quit your job, what now? Well, it's 3 o'clock on a Thursday, and we're gonna put a whiteboard up. It's work, right?
See the difference in my heart and my soul. Yeah, I stuck to the code. If I
Last through. Remember when I was flexing about how it was 3 o'clock on a Thursday? It's 7:30 on a Thursday now. All right, I gotta clean up, and then tomorrow I'll tell you the plan. And now it's time for the plan. I'm the owner of NB Films LLC. Don't want to flex, but NB because my name's Nate Bustamante, but no one can spell my last name. And all lowercase because it looks cooler, right? And let's say this circle here, that's a pretty dang good circle. Let's say this circle represents the business. Right now, about 80% of the business revenue is from weddings. This year, I'm shooting 19, which is crazy. I'm so pumped about this, and it's the reason I could go out on my own. And then we have another slice of the pie. It's commercial work. Commercials for small businesses, social media content, that kind of thing. 2 slices, this is kind of where we sit today. I want to add a third. I want to shoot about 50% weddings, maybe 12 to 15 a year. 25% would be commercial work. And then we have a third slice of the pie. And I want to make that YouTube. Which is a little funny to say out loud because, you know, you have dreams, but it's another thing to like speak them out to the world because you could fail publicly. That's the thing. But I want to make YouTube a part of the revenue. As I'm making this video right now, so far YouTube has paid me out $0. Like lifetime, $0. And I think I have 417 subscribers. So why invest into YouTube? Let me show you another graph. I always thought that making videos kind of fell into 2 different categories. The first would be professional work. This is like videos for clients, right? And then personal work. And so the videos that I make for our family and for different things that happen in my life kind of stay over here. And the client work should be over here and be void of my personal touch and creative vision. And I'm learning that that's just not the case. So my hope for YouTube is that it's a bridge between the two, that I can document my professional journey while documenting our personal life. I'm so pumped this year to shoot a ton of weddings, commercial projects, and post it all on YouTube. And I guess we'll see what happens. I know the team's excited. Right, Nate? Yeah, when's lunch? Nate? Sorry, what was that? I've been swamped with all this YouTube money coming in. Nate, this video took you like 40 takes. We're excited. We'll see what happens.
I got a home. Yeah. I got a home in Glory Land, and I tried to the sun. I got a home in glory land and I shine the sun. I got a home in glory land and I shine